Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one I'm going to do the quick unboxing review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max device. So finally friends, I did get hands on with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, so which is a 256GB version which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration. And this is a natural titanium color which I did order because a lot of other colors were out of stock, so I was able to get this right now. And just today I did pick up the phone from the Apple store, and right now let me do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max device. So this is iPhone 16 Pro Max device. So let's do the quick unboxing of this iPhone 16 Pro Max. So as you can see, friend, this is a natural titanium color, and this is my first time using this color as well. And before this iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max also I do have right now, and this is how it looks as you can see here, guys. So let's do unwrapping. So meanwhile, let me to boot up the device, guys. So overall the phone feels pretty good, same like the previous generations. So it's not that heavy, I would say, regarding the phone weight overall. And in this box we do get the type C to type C cable, so which is pretty good. So pretty standard cable you do get here. So apart from that, you don't get any other Apple stickers or anything this time. And since this is a eSIM only model, so there will be no SIM card ejector pin as well in the box. So finally friends, the iPhone did boot up, and let me do quickly set up this 16 Pro Max. And overall, definitely guys, I can feel the difference regarding the edge to edge display. So as soon as I started to use the device, that's very interesting. So it feels pretty good, like big display, I would say, in terms of the iPhone. So let me click continue, and let's set up the device, and I'll be back. So after signing in with the Face ID and everything. So right now, as you can see, when the setup process is going on at this moment, after login details I have entered, and so far my experience was pretty good, guys. So I did ask for the desert titanium color variant, and they asked me to come back again later on, so when they get in stock. So that the stock people, they did mention that they would be able to exchange with a different color, so within 14 days of time. So let's see, I'll try to go one more time to the store, and if there is any kind of desert titanium, and we'll be able to get that color. So I did get the case and tamper glass as well, so I'll try to install it later on, but right now I'll definitely do a lot of comparison and testing videos, guys. So using with this iPhone 16 Pro Max versus 15 and even the 14 as well. So definitely, so you can see the both phones. So 16 Pro Max did feel little bit taller, so little bit, as you can see here, guys. That's because of the big screen display. So right now the complete setup has been done, guys. So it was explaining about the camera control button, so which has been introduced recently here, as you can see here. So let me try to skip everything, and so finally friends, is a quick look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let me check the battery capacity right now. So it's about 91%. So that's pretty good, as you can see here, guys. So 91. So friends, this is a quick overall initial impressions about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I'm going to test out this camera button later on. That's pretty good. So clicking once, it will definitely unlock it will open the camera application. So let me open any other application, and let's try. So as you can see, even from different application also, the camera application can actually open by pressing this button, as you can see, friends. So I'll try to definitely test out this button and everything later on. So meanwhile, stay tuned for more updates, guys. Thank you for watching. Until then, signing off, and bye.